Got to love my black woman till you are more than a million. It's a billion or a trillion. Black woman, you more than a million. It's a billion or a trillion. You keep me warm. Your love is all I want. Trillion. Black woman, you more than a million, or a billion, or a trillion. You keep me warm. Your love is all I want. To be in my arms, so I can feel your charm.
But them want we have come and bring them up now. We're serious, me not send love now. Me not fight fish out and a bow. We tell them the land is in the sun. Sweet Jamaica land, we love youths and youths, we don't need no gun. Sweet Jamaica land, we love. Tell me that and me tell me son. And some praise unto the Most High, cause the more we are listening to say, Mama Polly big up herself, Empress Polly, me. Yeah man.
Out the road, them a move so evil. The song them sing, them a mislead people. So them a heights are evil, appear war, them a study and a kill off people. Some boy out the road, them a move so evil. The song them sing, them a through the song what them a sing, now have no meditation. Them not teaching them go use them right from wrong. Judgment, I go take them cause them pray to Vatican. Say this a Rastafari to redemption. Through the hype and they bring them change them location. Enough of them brain start to malfunction. Them a move like devil so them not have no caution. When enough ghetto youths need check.
Yeah, I can't find the answer. Give me the answer, no, man. I'll give you the taxi. Yeah, man. Blessed be the Most High, because the more we are the Celestia. Yeah, man. Everyone, Irie. Yeah, them Irie. The world and they save the nation. They tell everyone to take them vaccination. A computer chip it they put in your hand. Me no matter who them are, we no care where they from. A fire we they put on them, no me not the plan. A long time they carry run a wicked Babylon. I know them come and fight. And me say Babylon a fight. They gonna fight. The wicked them a fight. Babylon a fight against Japis. Yet them a fight. We gonna fight. The wicked them a fight. All of them a fight against Japis.
We no care who them be a good iniquity workers. None of them can prosper. Got the fireman a blaze a go bundle semina. Blaze up the fire upon them right hand. We no care who them be a good Satan right hand. None of them can prosper. Got the fireman a blaze a go burn over their worker. Hypocrite and parasite, please step aside. Check. And the fireman in the check.
World leaders sell we out, them sell we out. World leaders sell we out, them sell we out. I stand for your touch piece then.
Greetings in the name of the Most High. Rastafari, Nyabinghi PITFOUR. Give thanks, kings and queens. Ayatadin, give thanks. Yes, loved ones. Selector.
I stand for your behind us, so we're doing it, you know. Here we go on now. I so strong is from Chulan, we grew up, you know. But everyone knows a man to go be able to live. Now, marching in, oh Jah, I want to be in this number. Rastafari say, go Jah it in. Yeah, you hear me that again? Zion is an holy place. No sin cannot enter there. No sin cannot enter.
I shall be released from Babylon chains and poverty, them brutality and bagamani. Whoa, mama. Whoa, mama Africa. Yes, I'm coming home. Yes, Daddy, you know we have to get here, because without you, Mama couldn't bring me. Joe! Rastafari lives and reigns. Yes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Oh, Mama Africa. Yes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Oh, Mama Africa. Yes, I'm coming home. People, too long sleeping. Yes, I give thanks to the gallery, you know. Empress Menen, I mother, which I share the said earth strong with. So I give thanks.
Give thanks, Rastafari. So J and J are going to do a song inspired by one of Rastafari's sons. They I them know that one and said, don't afraid. Massive, keep it same way, man. Don't sit same way. Two of my beautiful daughters, Jaden and Jordan, they happen to be twins. Of course, they have their own musical thing to go. So, you know, a child shall lead the way, will lead the way, and must lead the way. So we have to big up the youths, we have to feature the youths, we have to live for the youths, not kids. Please don't call our children kids, family, me I beg you. Me I go be get mad. You hear me I tell you? Alright. We have children. We the Rastafari family, we have children, we have youths. We have pearls, we have diamonds, we have gems. We have beautiful flowers in the garden. Aye. And Mama, we really give thanks for the item. It's really a joy for there tonight for Empress Menen Earth Strong. Well, you know it's tomorrow, but we get the honor of bringing it in. And we feel very highlighted for this hyper tune.